Akin Scorpion 360 Production. How to make my 360 waves deeper. By V. Knight. This video is for educational purposes. Subscribe for more content.
In this article, you will discover how to achieve deeper and more defined 360 waves with the right techniques and products. Learn the importance of brushing, investing in a high-quality wave brush, maintaining a proper hair care routine, using specialized wave products, and adopting a healthy lifestyle. Now let's begin. How to make my 360 waves deeper. If you're looking to take your 360 waves to the next level and make them even deeper, there are several effective techniques you can incorporate into your hair care routine. Deep waves not only have a stylish and fashionable appearance, but also give your hair a more defined and sharp look. Let's dive deep into the world of 360 waves and explore how to achieve the most captivating and impressive waves. First and foremost, the foundation of achieving deep waves lies in brushing. 1. Brush your hair regular. Brushing your hair regularly and with the right technique is crucial for training your hair to form those coveted waves. To intensify the depth of your waves, ensure that you brush your hair thoroughly and consistently. 2. Invest in a high-quality wave brush. Invest in a high-quality wave brush with firm bristles that will effectively manipulate your hair and encourage the formation of deep waves. The right brush will help you achieve the desired results. In addition to brushing, maintaining a proper hair care routine is essential for achieving deeper waves. 3. Keep your waves moisturized. Keeping your hair moisturized and well-nourished is key to healthier and more defined waves. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type. Additionally, consider incorporating a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once or twice a week to help restore and strengthen your hair. This extra care will contribute to the overall health and appearance of your waves. 4. Use products specifically made for waves. To further enhance the depth of your waves, consider using specialized wave products. Wave pomades, creams, or gels can work wonders in providing hold and enhancing the definition of your waves. Look for products that are specifically designed for wave formation and choose the one that suits your hair texture and desired level of hold.
5. Use wave products correctly. Apply the product evenly throughout your hair, focusing on the areas where you want to deepen your waves. These products will give your waves an extra boost and make them more captivating. 6. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. While brushing and products are important, it's crucial not to overlook the impact of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration can greatly contribute to the overall health and appearance of your hair. Consuming foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, can promote hair growth and improve its texture. Taking care of your overall health will positively affect the quality of your waves. 7. Avoid styling tools and chemical treatments. Additionally, avoid excessive heat styling and harsh chemical treatments, as they can damage your hair and hinder wave formation. Opt for heat-free styling methods whenever possible, and minimize the use of hair straighteners or curling irons. 8. Embrace your hair texture. Embrace your natural hair texture and work with it to create the most magnificent and deep 360 waves. By minimizing damage and embracing your hair's natural state, you'll enhance the overall appearance of your waves. Finally, remember that achieving deep waves takes time and dedication. 9. Follow the techniques. Consistently following the techniques mentioned above and remaining committed to your hair care routine will eventually lead to the desired results. It's important to be patient and not get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Perfectly deep 360 waves are not built overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are mesmerizing waves. Stay persistent and trust the process. In conclusion, making your 360 waves deeper requires a combination of proper brushing, a good hair care routine, the use of specialized wave products, a healthy lifestyle, and patience. By incorporating these techniques into your hair care regimen, you'll be well on your way to achieving the most captivating and envy-inducing waves. So, grab your wave brush, embrace the process, and get ready to make a splash with your deep, and mesmerizing 360 waves. With dedication and the right techniques, you'll have heads turning wherever you go. A quick guide. An overview of the article. A guide to achieving the desired 360 waves. Here is a list of techniques you could apply to your routine. 1. Brush your hair regular. 2. Invest in a high-quality wave brush. 3. Keep your waves moisturized. 4. Use products specifically made for waves. 5. Use wave products correctly. 6. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. 7. Avoid styling tools and chemical treatments. 8. Embrace your hair texture. 9. Follow the techniques. Thank you for watching How to Make My 360 Waves Deeper by V. Knight. That concludes this article.
Thank you for watching. Now a word from our sponsors. We are a company that specializes in creating innovative solutions for the hair care industry. We've developed a unique line of products that are designed to enhance and define natural waves in the hair. These products have gained popularity among individuals who want to achieve effortless and beautiful 360 waves. Our Wave products has quickly become a trusted brand in the hair care market, known for its high quality and effective formulations. With our commitment to providing superior results, our Wave products continue to revolutionize the way people style their hair. So if you're in the market for 360 wave care products, look no further. Shop today at scorpion360wavebrush.com. Click the link for more information. Don't forget to subscribe or visit us at the King Scorpion 360 Wave Brush store.
A healthy lifestyle contributes to the overall health of your hair, making it easier to achieve and maintain those coveted waves. Remember, it's a journey that requires dedication, but the end result will undoubtedly boost your confidence and set you apart with your effortlessly stylish hairstyle. So, embrace the process, be patient, and enjoy the transformation as you unlock your full wave potential.
Embracing the world of 360 waves is not just about having a stylish haircut, it's about embracing a lifestyle and becoming part of a community that appreciates the art of wave making. So, if you're ready to level up your style game and make a statement wherever you go, don't hesitate to dive into the world of 360 waves. That's it for this video. Remember, the journey to 360 waves is as rewarding as the hairstyle itself. So, embrace the process, stay dedicated, and soon you'll be rocking those 360 waves with confidence. Thank you for watching, and may peace be with you.
A King Scorpion 360 production. How to make my 360 waves deeper. By V. Knight. This video is for educational purposes. Subscribe for more content.